Next question is question number 3. A gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to about 30% of its volume. Means there is sugar syrup in the gulab jamun that is of the 30% of the volume of the gulab jamun. Find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamuns, each shaped like a cylinder with two hemispherical ends with length 5 cm and diameter 2.8 cm. Now see, it is the shape of the gulab jamun given. 5 cm is the height of the whole gulab jamun and 2.8 cm is the diameter of the lower base or upper base of the cylinder or of the hemisphere that is attached on both of the sides of the cylinder. Now see, diameter of hemisphere is 2.8 cm. Then radius of hemisphere will be 2.8 divided by 2, that is 1.4 cm. Then height of cylinder will be equal to 5 minus 1.4 minus 1.4. This is the radius of the hemisphere. From this 5 cm we will subtract the radius of this hemisphere and radius of this hemisphere to get the height of the cylinder. It is 5 minus 1.4 plus 1.4. It is 5 minus 2.8. It comes out to be 2.2 centimeter. Now volume of one gulab jamun will be equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube plus 2 by 3 pi r cube plus pi r square h. Means the volume of the lower hemisphere plus volume of upper hemisphere plus volume of cylinder. Now we will put all the values in this formula to get the volume of whole gulab jamun. It is 2 by 3 pi r cube plus 2 by 3 pi r cube plus pi r square h. 2 by 3 pi r cube plus 2 by 3 pi r cube comes out to be 4 by 3 pi r cube, and from here plus pi r square h. Pi r square is common. Here we get 4 by 3 r plus h inside the brackets. Put the values of radius pi into 1.4 whole square, 4 into 1.4 by 3, and the value of h is 2.2 that we have put in this solution. Then after solving these we get, see here we take the LCM 3, 5.6 plus 6.6. Then on multiplying and dividing we get it is equal to pi into 1.96 into 12.2 by 3. Now this is the volume of one gulab jamun. Now we have to find the volume of 45 gulab jamun. Then we will multiply this figure by 45. 45 into pi into 1.96 into 12.2 by 3. This is the volume of 45 gulab jamuns. Then we solve it and we get here 1127.28 cubic centimeter. Now it is given that the 30% of the volume is syrup. Therefore we use 30% of the volume, the whole volume of 45 gulab jamun will be the syrup. Means 30 by 100 of 30% means 30 out of 100, means 30 by 100 of 1127.28, that was the volume of gulab jamun, is sugar syrup. Then we solve it. After solving we get 338.184 cubic centimeter. It is nearly equal to 338 cubic centimeter. That is the volume of the syrup that is contained in 45 gulab jamun approximately. Then we come to the next question. Question number 4. A pen stand made of wood is in the shape of cuboid with 4 conical depressions to hold pens. The dimensions of cuboid are 15 cm by 10 cm by 3.5 cm. The radius of each conical depression is 0.5 cm and the depth is 1.4 cm. Find volume of wood in the entire stand. See, this is the diagram for this. Here is a cuboidal stand pen stand in which there are 4 cones in the depression. Now the dimensions for the cuboid are given to be 15 by 10 by 3.5, and the dimensions for the cone are given to be that the height is 1.4 centimeter and radius is 0.5 centimeter. Now see here, volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. It comes to be 15 into 10 into 3.5, length 525 cubic centimeter. Volume of conic depth is 1 by 3 pi r square h, and we put the values. 1 by 3 pi, radius was 0.5 and height is 1.4 to be given. Then we put the values, and after solving this we get 11 by 30 cubic centimeter. After all solution we get 11 by 30 cubic centimeter as the volume of one cone. Now volume of 4 conical depressions is 4 into 11 by 30. We multiply this because this is the volume of one cone. Then the volume of 4 cones will be 4 into 11 by 30. It is 22 by 15 cubic centimeters. Now volume of wood in entire stand. Now we are to find the volume of wood. Now we will subtract the volume of these 4 cones. We will subtract the volume of these 4 cones, 1 2 3 4 cones from the volume of cuboid. We subtract the volume of these 4 cones from the volume of cuboid. Then volume of wood in entire stand will be equal to 525 minus 1.47. 1.47 is the volume of 4 cones and 525 cubic centimeter is the volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid minus volume of 4 cones. 525 minus 1.47. It comes out to be 523.53 cubic centimeter. Now you can see that the solution for question number 3 and the solution for question number 4.